Hello creative family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to make cookies, homemade cookies using both an oven and a frying pan. Of course you can use your cooking gas or your stove. So these are the cookies I made. One plate contains cookies I made using an oven, and the second plate contains cookies I made using just a frying pan without greasing your pan, without any oil. So let's get started. In a bowl, put 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make sure you mix together till all the 3 ingredients get mixed properly. Keep your dry ingredients separately and then put 200 or 250 grams of butter. You can also use margarine. In this video I'm using margarine. So 200 grams of margarine. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar and mix properly. Pour your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and followed by half teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 raw egg. You can use your hands to make sure everything is well and properly mixed together. If you are with me at this point, please drop your location in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Your batter shouldn't be too soft or too hard, it should be in between. So put in your batter in a nylon and wrap it. Put in your refrigerator for like 10 minutes. Okay, so don't let any hole be in this nylon so water from your refrigerator will not enter. So bring out your batter after 10 minutes. Okay, so this is how it is. It is a little bit hard and not too soft. With this I will be able to cut them into different sizes that I want. Okay, sprinkle some flour on your work surface and place your dough. You can sprinkle some flour on the dough. Flatten the dough. Don't make the dough to be too flat, okay, so that your cookies can have a little weight. I will divide the dough into 2 and work on them one after the other. So I will be using different sizes of cookie cutters. So these are the cookie cutters I'm going to use. So let's start by using this particular shape. I love this shape so much. This is what it looks like. It is not too flat, it has a little weight. All right, let's use another cookie cutter, the heart. I love the heart shape also. So this is what we have. This is amazing. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see our cookies? Cookies with different sizes and shapes. Let's go into the baking process. First of all, I'm going to use a frying pan. Remember, do not grease your pan. Don't add any oil in your pan. We are going to bake this for about 20 minutes in a very low heat, and then after 20 minutes you turn to the other side and bake for 20 minutes also. Okay, I'm going to show you how to bake with oven too, so we can compare the two cookies. On your oven pan, put in maybe a paper towel, a serviette, or a tissue. I'm using a tissue so you can see that if you don't have a paper towel, you don't have to kill yourself. You can use tissue, whatever you have in your kitchen. So I'm arranging the cookies in the oven pan, and I'm going to bake these cookies for some minutes. I'm going to check within some intervals, okay, so it will not get burnt. This is what we have from the oven. Can you see? Can you see? It is super amazing. You can make cookies for your children, for your family, in your home. Instead of going all out looking for a way to buy cookies, way to buy snacks for your children, you can just sit at home and make different kinds of snacks for your children. Now let's compare the cookies. Cookies made from the oven and cookies made from the stove. This particular one here, the cookies on this particular plate I have removed are made from the oven. Can you see how flaky this is? And then this one I just removed, the other plate. These cookies are made from the stove. From your frying pan, can you see how it is? I bet you may not be able to differentiate the two. I hope you are going to try these. Do not say you don't have an oven, you don't want to make cookies, this and that. You can make cookies with your stove. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to try this recipe. It is amazing. Don't forget to like, share, drop a comment, drop your location, and also subscribe. Bye.